Welcome back to all of you. All these questions from 22nd to 25th question, all of them are very important questions. Okay, now question 22nd. Look over here. This question is very important for your exams. देखिए, अगर if you will observe the theta is x, 2x and 3x. These are the theta value over here. So what we can do it here, that we will split up or we will write the 3x, we will split up 3x equal 2x plus x. 3x है, 2x है, x है. So we have to split, we will write it in this form and then we will go further. And if we observe it, the trigonometric ratio is cot. So what we will do, we will take cot on both sides. Cot, by taking cot on both sides, you will get cot. This will be together, 2x. This term you will get it. Okay. Now, apply the formula here. Cot A plus B. Cot A plus B is cot A cot B minus 1 upon cot B plus cot A. So keep this one as it is because cot 3x we need it. And here cot, this is A and this is B. Okay, so cot A plus B, formula is there. Cot A cot B, cot A into cot B, cot A cot B minus 1 upon cot B plus cot A, cot B plus cot A. You will write it like this. Okay, so you have to remember all the identities. You have to be very careful. Now you will do the cross multiplication. So multiply this with this. So you will get cot 3x multiply cot x plus cot 3x multiply cot 2x equal cot 2x cot x minus 1. अब अगर आप क्वेश्चन को देखें, we are solving it from not from LHS, but if you will observe the question, in the question one is on the one side and the other term is on the other side. So what we will do, we will shift this one over here and the remaining term on this side to get the result. So 1 equal, shift this one on this side. So cot 2x into cot x. Now minus 1 we have shifted and these terms we will shift it on that side. So cot 2x, this will be minus cot 2x cot 3x and this is also minus cot x cot 3x, and same result we need it over here. Is it clear? देखिए 1 equal cot x cot 2x cot x cot 2x minus cot 2x cot 3x and minus cot 3x and cot 1. And this question is very important. Now in question 23rd, it is given tan 4x in the form of x and something else. अगर x की form में है, so what we will do, the LHS, we will split up tan 4x in the form of tan, देखो x है, so यहाँ से हमें थोड़ा सा पता चल रहा है what we have to take it. x दिया हुआ है in the question, so x plus 3x. 4x को we will write it x plus 3x. Now we will use the formula tan a plus b. Formula is tan a minus tan b, tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. So tan, this is a and this is b. So tan a plus tan b, tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. This is equals to tan 4x. Okay. अब but you need this. आपको तो ये चाहिए. What will you do further? बताइए, what will you do? Now, after, if you will look, tan x is already there. We don't want tan 3x. Tan 3x नहीं चाहिए. So what we will do? We will put the value of tan 3x or tan 3 theta. So it will come tan x plus tan 3x. 3 tan theta means this is theta or a, कुछ भी आप ले सकते हैं. 3 tan x minus tan cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. According to this formula. Okay, according to this, we have written 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. What about this? Same way you will apply the formula in the lower part also. So it will become 1 minus tan x and tan 3x ke. Instead of tan 3x, again you will put the value. Tan x minus tan cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. Okay. So, now tell me what should be next step? अब क्या करेंगे? हमें तो ये लेकर आना है. This part we needed. So, what should be the next step? Take its LCM, solve कीजिए to get the answer. You will get it. Okay. Now, come to the next question. Okay. So, in question 24th, before we will take to question 24th, इसको आगे further कैसे solve करेंगे? By taking its LCM, LCM लीजिए, solve कीजिए, you will get the answer. Okay. Now, question 24th. In question 24th, what is written here? Cos 4x. Cos 4x आपका आगे लिखा हुआ है. Cos 4x. Cos 4x equal 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. So again we will take LHS. देखते हैं कैसे करेंगे इसको. Cos, split this one. 2 into 2x. So can you see this thing is in the form of cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta. This part is theta. Now you will use the for identity 2 cos square theta minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sin square theta or cos square theta minus sin square theta. कुछ भी use कर सकते हैं. You at the end you will get the same answer. I am taking cos 2 theta. This 2x is theta. So cos 2 theta, 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta क्या है? 2x है. 2x minus 1. Okay. अब this part 2 cos 2x we can write it as whole square also. हमें ये लेकर आना है. So this power 2 we can take it as whole square also. This concept you did it in your 10th class. Now again we will use the formula of cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta cos square. अब यहाँ पे थीटा है x. 2 cos square x minus 1 and whole square. ठीक है. What we did, cos 2 theta, ये थीटा है आपका. Only this is theta. इस केस में क्या था? Cos 2, this whole was the theta. Now it has been converted into only x is the theta now. So 2 cos 2 theta, 2 cos square theta minus 1 and whole square. Open it. 4 cos 4x a square minus 2ab 4 cos square x plus 1 minus 1. Now write it further. 8 cos 4x minus 8 cos square x plus 2 minus 1. Now look at the question. We need this. अब देखिए, if you will go further, 8 cos 4x minus 8 cos square x plus 1. 1 is already there. Now you need the other trigonometric term in the form of sin square and cos square. यहां पर अगर आप देखोगे cos 4x and cos square x is there. So what will be the next step? Tell me. क्या होगा next step? इस term को anyone you can write it in this form. How can you write it? अब देखिए, take 1, write it here, plus from here take common 8 cos square x is common, so the left out cos square x minus 1. अब मुझे बताएंगे 1 plus 8 cos square x, cos square theta minus 1 क्या होता है? यूज द आइडेंटिटी. 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta, so cos square theta minus 1 will be minus sin square theta, so it will be minus sin square x. Now shift this minus over here, so 1 minus 8 cos square x and sin square x. This only you need it. Is it clear? So this is RHS. RHS. Now come to the question number 25th. In question 25th, look at the part. आपको प्रूव करना है सारे एंगल्स आपकी x की फॉर्म में है. ओके, सो व्हाट वी विल डू, टेक LHS cos 6x. आप RHS से we can't able to find out cos 6x, so it will be safer that you will take cos 6x. Okay, LHS you will take it. So cos 6x you can split up as cos 2 3x. Like this you can write it. अब now we will use cos 2 theta formula. अगर आप देखेंगे cos 2 theta, again we have to choose कि which formula we will use it. There are 3 or 4 formulas are there. All the terms are in the cos form. Okay, so cos 2 theta का हम cos formula cos form में identity we will use it. So cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1. So this is theta. Cos 2 theta, it is written over there. 2 cos 2 theta, 2 cos square theta means 3x minus 1. Okay, 2 cos square theta minus 1. अब क्या करेंगे? Tell me. What will you do now? You have to remove this 3. So cos 3x, we can write it whole minus 1. Now you will use cos 3 theta formula. Okay, so it will be 2 cos 3 theta. Formula is 4 cos cube theta, 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x whole square minus 1. Now a minus b whole square formula. So 2 a square 16 cos 6x a square plus b square 9 cos square x minus 2ab 8 24 cos 3x into cos x cos 4x and minus 1. Is it clear? Now open it, multiply it. 32 cos 6x plus 18 cos square x minus 48 cos 4x minus 1. Let's look at the result. Have we got it same one or not? 32 cos 6x, then minus 48 cos 4x, 18 cos square x and minus 1. So this is equals to RHS. Clear? But to apply or to solve all these questions, you have to remember all the identities given in the chapter. Then only you can able to attempt the questions. Otherwise it will be little bit difficult for you to solve the questions. Okay, so learn the formula. It's not necessary that all the formulas you will learn it on the one go. आप उसको कन्वर्ट कीजिए और यू कैन डिवाइड देम इनटू द पार्ट्स एंड देन यू विल learn it, and then paste all the formulas in your study room somewhere so that you can see the formulas again and again. Then only you can able to remember it. So again and again you have to learn the formula of trigo. Thank you and have a nice day.